Hello lovelies, today I'll be showing you a beginner friendly wig installation. So right here you're going to be smoothing all of your edges back and then proceeding with your wig cap. You're going to pull your wig cap over your ears and cut small holes on each side and stretch out around your earlobe till it lays flat. After that, you'll go in with a lace melt spray and spray around the perimeter, and then you're just going to dry that down. Once it's completely dry, you're going to be cutting the remainder of your wig cap, and then you're going to pull the perimeter of it around to the temple of your head. After that, you'll go in with your lace glue, and then I say do about 3 layers for a secure hold. After that, you're going to allow it to dry down till it's clear. Once it fully dries clear, we'll be going in with our deep curl wig, which is 4 bundles of 24 with a frontal. And I'll just be applying that like so, making sure that it's fully laid where the glue is applied. And then have your lace melt band applied like so. Once you have your lace melt band applied, you will be drying that down with your blow dryer for about 15 to 35 minutes. Once your lace is melted, you'll go in with a light mousse and begin styling your baby hairs. And there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we hope to see you next time.